Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that recently Theta has broken out a quite huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud on a 7 days time frame chart, and before that, it also broke out a falling wedge pattern and a quite long-term down channel as well. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this down channel and from this falling wedge pattern, the price end has rallied very well, and this was the resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that I was showing you. And you can see that after the breakout from this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, the price then retested the previous cloud as a support and geared up. And now we are about to hit the next quite long-term resistance of $4.50. Previously, this $4.50 has been working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, for several weeks a month, it has been working as a very strong support. And so far, from this low, when we were testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it has rallied more than 574%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Theta that I shared on 8th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Theta formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Theta, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And since after the month of May 2022, the price line also found another down trend line support. And while moving inside the support and the resistance of this previous channel, the price line formed another falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside the support and resistance, and after testing this quite long-term support as well, that was here at 58 cents. Previously, this 58 cents has been breaking as a very strong resistance here, and after the breakout, it was breaking as a a strong support here for several weeks, and since then, it is still breaking as a very strong support. And finally, after testing the support, the price end geared up and broke out the resistance of this huge falling wedge pattern. And so far, you can see that it has rallied almost 579 or 80%. And during this rally, we have broken out so many resistance levels. Like here, we had a key resistance at 90 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and support here. And after the breakout from this resistance, the price line got rejected by the next resistance of $1.30 and retested the previous resistance of 90 cents as a support, geared up and broke out this quite long-term resistance of $1.30. And you can see that for several weeks or almost years, you can see that from the month of August 2022 up till the month of January 2024, it had been breaking at a very strong resistance. Finally, the price then broke out, and imminently it also broke out the next resistance of $2.20 as well. That had been previously breaking at a very nice support here for several weeks and resistance here as well. And now we are about to hit the next long-term resistance of $4.50. It has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, it has been breaking as a nice support. Now, if we take a look at the targets, by the way, here we have also broken out this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And recently, you can see that this lagging span of Ichimoku bearish cloud has also crossed up this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is a very powerful buying signal. However, at the same time, we also have a very big bearish divergence on this 7 days time frame chart as well. You can see that the price line is forming higher high, but so far stochastic is not able to form another higher than previous high. It is more forming slightly lower high than previous high, but difference is quite not a very big difference, you can see. And therefore, there is a probability that if it will be slightly moved up, then this bearish divergence can be removed from the chart. Now, if we take a look at the targets for these breakouts, then target for the wedge breakout was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.20, and we have already achieved that target. However, it is possible that we may retest the previous resistance of $2.20 as a support before hitting the next target of this huge down channel, because I was showing you this bearish divergence that we have on this chart. And after this retest, we can again have a powerful reversal. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That can be between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.